Hey, what is up everyone? Here's how to change URL in Shopify. So yep, as you can see, we have here our URL. It's just a bunch of numbers and then .myshopify.com. So yep, it's actually very boring and we are here to change that. Now go back here to your admin panel, and then from here, if you haven't finished this one, you should see an option here to add a domain. So for example, if I were to click this one here or open this in a new tab, all right, there you go. I can do that by buying a domain. So if I were to click this one here, all right, and then I can just go ahead and put here like namelessbrand.com, for example. You can see that now it says here that it isn't available as of the moment. However, if you scroll down, you will see here a lot of options that you can use and the cost that you can pay for them. So for example, here namelessbrand.ph, because I'm from the Philippines, you can see that it's going to cost me $108. Now, the same thing for the others. The cheapest one I see here is this one, namelessbrand.store, $9 for the first year and then $53 after that. Now go ahead and click this one. If you don't see anything here that fits to your standards, you can see that we have a lot of options down here. All right, there you go. Now you get the point, everybody. What you're going to do is just click on buy, for example, right, just like that, and then you're going to go ahead and fill in the information needed here and then go ahead and click buy domain. So yep, that's just how you are going to do it. That's the only way in order for us to change our URL link here on Shopify. Should you wish to see more of these videos, don't forget to hit that like and subscribe button down below. Have a good day, everyone.